up and creating an account on thingspeak.com. So here I'll enter my email ID, and then here I will give my location, first name and last name. Once you submit this much details, there will be a continue button. So just click on that. Now use this email for my MathWorks account. So this which one I'm using here is a public domain personal email address, and if you want to continue using that, just click on this button and continue. Next, what you have to do is you have to check your email address and click a link over there to continue with account creation on thingspeak.com. So let's open the email address in a new window. So this is the email that is received from MathWorks. Here, just click on this particular button to verify the email ID, and you can continue with creating a password. Now, your profile is verified over here. So simply click on continue and enter the password. So I'm entering a simple password over here for remembering. I accept the online services agreement and click on continue. Now it has created the particular account on thingspeak.com. So let's click OK. How are you planning to use Thingspeak? Personal, non-commercial project. And just click OK. So wherever you create a new Thingspeak account, this is what you will see. This is a blank home window that you have on thingspeak.com. And what you can do, or what you can have first thing to do, is you just navigate through all the options. So here is account, so my account, then channels. So if you go to channels, you will see my channels over here, and there are no channels created. So by clicking on this particular option, you can create a new channel. Then in apps, you can see there are a number of different apps. If I click on all apps, then these are the different apps available. MATLAB Analytics, Visualization, plugins, Tweet, Time Control, React, and so on. So first thing first to do is go to channels, my channel, and create a new channel. So just click on new channel and give it some name here. So let me call it my first IoT project. Description is optional. And then as said, in a free account, you can have up to 8 fields. You can enable a field by checking mark this button or removing it. So let's create 3 fields. One for temperature, one for humidity, and another one for pressure. Other fields are not that important. You can explore them, link to external site, link to GitHub, location, and all those things. So just give the name to your fields and click on Save Channel. Now you will get with 3 graphs or 3 plot applications on your home screen with these 3 values. So one is temperature, humidity, and pressure. Of course, we have not posted any value onto this thing, and therefore we cannot see any graph right now. But this is what you get as blank. So this is a blank visualization which you get by default from thingspeak.com. Now let's see how we can send some dummy value over our channel, or send some actual value on our channel. To send some data onto your Thingspeak channel, what you have to do is go to the API keys of your channel. Here you will see different API keys. This API key is a particular number, or it's a particular key which is your secure write API key, and with this API key only you can write some data onto your Thingspeak channel. Similarly, there is read API key, and if we have to write something onto it, here are some API requests. If you click on the learn more, you will get a detailed list of all the API requests that are there. These are the REST APIs available. So everything is there. in detail over this page. Right now, let's try to create a quick experiment. So, write to a channel feed. What is the request given? Get https api.thingspeak.com/update ? And then there is your write API key, and then and field1 is equal to 0. Let me take this entire string into a notepad file. So copy, and then let me open a notepad. Now let's see. So this is the HTTPS request for thingspeak.com with our own unique key and then the value of field1. If you want to append more values, then you simply have to do what? And field2 is equal to something and field3 is equal to something, like that. So let's put some values instead of 0 and something. Field1 in our case is temperature, so let's make it 25.5 here. Field2 is humidity, so let's make it let's say 43, and field3 is pressure, so let's make it 12,000. Now if you have to make these values appear on your Thingspeak channel, then simply copy this string, take a new browser window and paste it here. After pasting it, you will get a response 1. It means your first data has been published. Let's go to private window and you can see the data dots available. So this is for field1, this is for field3. Field2 is not there. Let's see if we have made some mistake. So there is no ampersand symbol here. So there has to be ampersand symbol here. So field1 equal to ampersand, field2 equal to ampersand, field3. And let's hit enter. So the second request has been gone and you can see the second point coming here. The problem with free account with thingspeak.com is it only supports data updation after every 15 seconds. And the premium account or the paid account supports data updation every second. Apart from that, it's completely same. Now my third data has been sent. You can see the graphs would change. As said, 15 seconds is the update time. So we can see the graph changing now. So this is just a demo with Thingspeak. Go through all the settings and try to do this kind of data updation. You can even have 8 channels if you want and try the same way, appending different fields onto the URL and try hitting it. In the next video, we'll see how we can send some actual data through Python programming from Raspberry Pi onto our Thingspeak channel, and we'll see how we can directly send the actual temperature, humidity and pressure sensor values. Thank you for watching this video.